in the recommendation.
Yeah.
Municipality.
क्या बोले? What to say?
No, we will discuss. Yeah.
Yeah. So right now we have seen the causes of no flow.
The recommendation would be discussed.
What to be discussed? Uh, Tanker filling, huh?
Yeah.
Tanker filling, operation and control. Operation and to be discussed, to be. Okay, I am saying tanker filling operation control process to be discussed and agreed by whom? Who is the owner?
Owner is Jacob.
Jacob.
Jacob slash
Oh, Jacob and clients. Okay, they discuss with all the stakeholders.
and company. Right?
Jacob. Yes.
You don't want to leave him, huh? Okay, guys. So with this, I think we have taken more time. You mentioned 10 minutes, and in 10 minutes we are discussing it. And everybody is hungry, nobody is participating. Imran. Okay. So now I think we have closed the day. You want to review the recommendation? Okay. So,
What you said immediately.
okay, these are the recommendations. I will not go each and every recommendation. There are total 33 recommendations. And I will send you the draft report to wait for your comments. Now, okay. Where to send? Whom to send?
No, the team. The meeting.
Recommendation, yeah. Okay. This is a download. Recommendation.